The Samsung Galaxy Z44 has some big shoes to fill if it's to follow on from the impressive Galaxy Z43. But there's room for improvement, with the foldable phone's formula still not yet perfected. While a trickle of rumors is now starting to flow steadily for the Z44, there's still quite a bit we don't know. So we have collected all the leaks and rumors we have heard so far, and we have weighed in with our thoughts on what the Z44 needs to improve on if Samsung wants to continue to hold on to the best foldable phones crown with its next generation. One recent camera has dismissed the idea of a new rear camera design for the Galaxy Z44, but it has thrown more weight behind the tip that the foldable phone will get a 50 megapixel main camera. While good, the 12 megapixel main camera can't keep up with that of the Galaxy S22, let alone the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 108 megapixel snapper. The 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto cameras are fine, but there's room for improvement with the main camera, and upping the main sensors to 50 megapixel could be the answer. Another rumor has the Galaxy Z44 has it tipped to get a 3x zoom optical zoom on the telephoto camera. Comparatively, the Galaxy Z43's telephoto cameras offer 2x optical zoom. So if this leaks comes to fruition, it would likely give the Galaxy Z44 noticeable boost in camera performance and pretty much the same camera setup as the Galaxy S22. The Galaxy Z43 introduced a big change compared to its previous Samsung phones, the company's first under-display camera on the main display. A Korean leaker claims that the Z44 could build on this by adding a second under-display camera to the curved display. However, the under-display camera has one of the weaker points of the Galaxy Z43, so having another one isn't ideal unless the Samsung works to improve it. And that's exactly what it's been tipped to do, with the Galaxy Z44 predicted to get a suite of under-screen camera improvement, including a 16 megapixel sensor up from a paltry 4 megapixel. It should be noted that not everyone backs the idea that Samsung is going to bolster the under-display camera with that size sensor. IC Universe tweeted out a list of Galaxy Z44 specs they described as 100% accurate, and the under-display camera was still listed as a 4 megapixel sensor.